Tomorrow is the new deadline to file your taxes. All unemployment support is taxable, unlike last year. NewsNation correspondent Ryan Bass joins us now live. And Ryan, we're hearing that there's a shortage of workers at the IRS.
Yeah, the IRS chief warned us months ago, Rudabeh, that not only are they dealing with budget cuts over the last decade, but the agency has its fewest number of employees since 1970, and the U.S.'s population has grown 60% since that point. Look, I know nobody wants to spend their Easter Sunday staring at W-2s or 1099s, but if you haven't filed your taxes yet, you better get them in now. I spoke with a tax expert out of Florida who said it's better late than never, especially if you want to get that refund on time and if you want to avoid paying Uncle Sam a few extra bucks. Between those Easter egg hunts and Sunday brunches, some of you may be spending today number crunching deductions and catching up on your taxes. Because a reminder, tomorrow is the deadline to file. It's the earliest you've had to file in a few years. In 2020, the pandemic pushed the deadline back to July, and last year, taxes were due in mid-May. You even had a few extra days this year to file. Emancipation Day, which was yesterday, is a federal holiday and was celebrated on Friday, so IRS employees had the day off. Filing late may be a bit hectic this year. H&R Block's Chief Tax Officer, Kathy Pickering, explains why.
There are a variety of changes people will notice when filing taxes this year. There were expansions in the tax code designed to help the U.S. economy and families recover from the pandemic. There's more money for more people, from new incentives to help families and people get back to work, to programs that help businesses hire.
A lot of you can kick back and relax today because you didn't procrastinate. Through April 1st, the IRS said it has processed more than 89 million individual federal tax returns. But if you're one of the ones who hasn't gotten around to it yet, Grace Lewis, a CPA who runs a tax and accounting firm out of Brandon, Florida, gave me a few last-minute tips to share with you. First off, the earlier you file tomorrow, the better off you'll be, especially if you do it online. The IRS computer system may be backed up with so many people rushing to get their taxes done, so you're going to want to get it done ASAP. Number two, don't mail in your tax return on paper because you might not even get that refund by Christmas. Grace says the IRS is still opening mail from 2020, so yours could be on backlog if you mail it in. And finally, if you're filing an extension, it's only an extension of time to file, not to pay what you owe. If you think you're going to owe money, you need to pay it. Grace said at least 90% of your total tax that you owe has to be sent in, or you could face penalties.
The expanded child tax credit and new monthly advance payments could lead to a change in your tax refund.
Which means, parents, it is key that you file your 2021 taxes so you don't miss out on possibly hundreds or even thousands of dollars from the federal government. The first 6 payments of the child tax credits from the American Rescue Plan Act that was passed in March of 2021 were given out monthly last July to December. More than 36 million families received checks totaling $93 billion, according to the IRS. Lewis says you have to report what you already received on your 2021 tax return to get the rest of what you're owed. Now, the IRS says the fastest way to get your refund money is to file online and have it direct deposited. The agency says most Americans should get their refund checks within 3 weeks of filing. And if you've waited this long, guess what you're probably filing for tomorrow? An extension. The IRS estimates that 15 million Americans are going to have to do just that, which gives you until October 17th to get those taxes in. Now, Nina Tross with the National Society of Tax Professionals says if you haven't filed your taxes by now, it's probably best to file for that extension because she says, in her words, it is better to extend than amend your taxes down the line.
Good advice. And for those procrastinators out there, good luck. Ryan, thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Click the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.